TikTok Shop Keyword Tracker. A TikTok Shop Keyword Tracker is an essential tool for monitoring how your chosen keywords perform in search rankings, visibility, and engagement. It allows sellers to track which keywords drive the most traffic, how their rankings change over time, and what trends are emerging within their product categories. With this information, you can adjust your listings, captions, and hashtags to maintain strong visibility and outperform competitors. Keyword tracking helps you identify high-performing search terms that generate clicks and conversions. You can also see which keywords are losing momentum, allowing you to replace them before your traffic drops. For TikTok Shop sellers, this insight is valuable for staying competitive in a fast-moving marketplace where trends shift quickly. Regular keyword tracking ensures your content remains relevant and optimized for buyer intent. Many top-performing sellers use Helium 10 as a keyword tracker for TikTok Shop. Helium 10's advanced tracking tools show keyword rankings, competitor keyword usage, and search volume trends. This helps sellers refine their SEO strategy, update product listings efficiently, and target keywords that deliver consistent performance. Combining TikTok's built-in analytics with Helium 10's keyword tracker gives you the complete visibility needed to grow your shop strategically. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to track your TikTok Shop keywords and scale your business like a pro.